another feature from the original speaker is you just press another mode, press another one mode, that one, search map. See, there's a shutter there. The WS-887 BT is no more. Now shutter is this one. So connect to shutter. Try to connect with shutter. Okay, it's connected. Now how to use it? So you can just either press this plus or minus. It will take the picture. 1, 2. See, it's a bit late. Okay, one more with this side. Just press this. That's it. So only that. For videos or everything, I'm not sure. Let's try videos. Oh yeah, you record. Recording time. Yeah, alright. So this, is it pause? It stop. I see. I just know the pictures. Okay. What about play? Nothing. Okay, then that's the extra features from the original.
Turn radio mode up.